there, Melody from WTI. With so many patio sets out there, how do you know which one is right for you? Well, I'd like to introduce you to the patio set from Babylon, from the Babylon shop. I'm going to tell you all about it because you're going to want to check it out for yourself too. I can't tell you how much I love this set. It's a beautiful rattan patio conversation set. It is so well made. The quality is incredible. I love everything about this three-piece set. And the khaki color is perfect because you could add cushions depending on the color of your decor. So the rattan is hand-woven, weather resistant, so it's going to be very durable for you. Of course, it comes together with everything you need in the package, including the instructions, so it's really easy to put together. The rest of it is a heavy-duty, powder-coated steel frame, so it's going to be very, very sturdy whenever anybody sits in this. I also love the fact that it swivels 360 degrees, and of course it rocks. So it glides and swivels, and it's just the perfect chair to entertain while you have guests at your house. And we can't forget about the cushions. They are made very large, their seats are nice and wide and they're comfortable, and I love that the cushion covers are removable so it's easy to clean. And the last but not least part of this whole set is the gorgeous tempered glass table. It just completes the set. So whether you want to have your morning coffee or you want to enjoy a glass of something else at night, it's the perfect set. So now you know why this patio set is right for me. Go check it out for yourself. That's my point of view.